Hello, my name is James. I'm with Supply and Demand, and today we're going to be replacing a few parts on this Whirlpool Cabrio WED8900BC0. If you don't know where to locate your model number for your dryer, you simply open the door and you should find the manufacturer label somewhere around the door or on the inside by the door hinges. Let's get started. Now you just need to disconnect the door switch. Once you look over here, you'll see the little tab. Just lift up on the tab and then just pull them apart. And there we go. You should be able to lift up on the front panel and move it out of the way. This particular model uses two drive belts. The first one running on the front of the motor that drives the blower wheel, and the second one on the rear of the motor that drives the drum.